All right, boys and girls, welcome to Garden Guitar WONHO. I think and I hope that is the way to pronounce that name. I hope so, really, so I don't get all his million fans chasing me after this one. But anyway, the song is called What Would You Do? All right, so this is a pretty easy song to handle. We're going to do that with capo set on the first fret. That's the best scenario for us, and we have 5 different chords to go for. So let's do that, starting with C. So that will be third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. We have the D minor 7 next, and that will be open D, second G, first B, and first E. When it comes to this last 2 strings, the B and E string, I place a little short bar with my index finger to push them down there on the first frets. All right? That's the D minor 7. We have the A minor next, and that will be open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. We have F, which is a bar chord. So you place your index finger on the first fret and you push down all strings there. And then you need to add third on A, third on D, and second on G. And the final chord is the F minor. What you do there from the F, it will always come after the F chord. So what you do is just to lift off the second fret G string to get the minor correct there. Everything else is the same, and that will be F minor. All right, so let's go into the strumming now. We have this one chord progression that goes pretty much in the same way through the entire song. So let's take the first C and learn the strumming. We have a 2-part strumming pattern here. Sometimes we need to split it. So one full round goes like this. Okay, so the first part will be down, down, up, clap, down. Down, down, up, clap, down. And the second part is to play down, clap, down. So if we put this together, it will be down, down, up, clap, down, down, clap, down. And so on. All right, so the chords are going to come in the same way as we learned them. So we're going to play one full round of C, and then comes the one full round of the D minor 7, then one full round of the A minor. And the ending here is where you're going to split the strumming. You're going to play F, part 1, the down, down, up, clap, down. And then you lift off the second fret G string. And to get the F minor, you're going to play the part 2, down, clap, down. And this rolls almost through the entire song. Let's try a couple of rounds. C1, D minor 1, A minor 1, F part 1, and F minor part 2, like this. We have a pre-chorus, and it happens about 45 seconds into the song. That's the first time. And what you're going to do there is simply just to play one down on C and let that ring out, okay? It's a big pause afterwards, and then you fall back to this main pattern again. And that's the only thing that goes outside this main C, D minor, A minor, F, and F minor. So that's how you handle What Would You Do? And I don't dare to pronounce that name again of this artist, but he's welcome back in the future as well. So if you enjoy him and me, subscribe to this channel, and see you soon. Till next time, play tuned.